Every vehicle has different needs at different points in its life. That's why with Mopar Vehicle Protection you will always benefit from expert care. We offer a wide range of services tailored for you and your car, keeping it in perfect shape just like the first day you bought it. What we offer? For your Fiat professional, we have a set of extended warranty and maintenance plans with different solutions in terms of duration, mileage and content. With our extended warranty plans, you will continue benefiting from the care you require even after your factory warranty expires, giving you complete peace of mind throughout the period you desire to extend your warranty for. Our maintenance plans are affordable and the simplest way to cover your scheduled maintenance over time, guaranteeing complete serenity. But not only, no matter what the age of your vehicle, we can also offer a set of complimentary maintenance plans to keep your vehicle in a state of ultimate efficiency. Select which suits your driving habits best. You can also combine the plans you desire together. All our plans can be bought directly with a new vehicle purchase in the showroom or at one of our service points. Only with Mopar Vehicle Protection you can be sure that every service operation is carried out by Fiat professional qualified technicians using original parts for your vehicle. Ask for more information at your local dealership or check out our plans online.